Hello, in front of me I've got PS5 and in this video I'll tell you the answer to question: does PSVR2 need a camera? So, long story short, no. With inside-out tracking, PSVR2 tracks you and your controller through integrated cameras embedded into the PSVR2 headset. Your movements and the direction you look at are reflected in-game without the need for external camera. So you don't need to buy any camera or else the camera from the PSVR 1 won't be necessary to run PSVR 2. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.